My name is Stefan Overkamp. I work as a field project manager in life science automation in Europe. And in that role, I do support the sales in the sales process, especially for larger and more complex projects. So the Beckman team that takes care of such an automation project usually consists of sales and field project management, who are heavily involved in pre-sales. And it also involves implementation management, application support, and field service engineers.
My name is Reiko Krüger. I'm professor for clinical and experimental neuroscience at the University of Luxembourg. We are working with our research group at the Luxembourg Center for Systems Biomedicine, where we are doing stem cell-based research on Parkinson's disease. Without an automation, we would not meet our objectives because we have a quite heterogeneous cellular model on our system, and here we are obliged to reduce any kind of variability. And of course, an automated system with a time constraint based approach allows to undergo similar procedures on each cellular model and reduces substantially the variability that we typically observe. Yes, I've really appreciated the process of evaluation. It was a process over 1.5 years where we had the opportunity to talk to Beckman representatives, where we got very detailed information on how they can provide workflows that may be interesting for our automation. And it was also a very important opportunity to see already existing automations that addressed some points of what we already wanted to realize. And this was a constant consultancy process that helped us a lot also to align with what we consider as workflows on our automation in the future. So, considering the process of purchasing and implementing, from the time point we decided, it was a very smooth process. So we had the system built up in a very concrete time frame, and we are very happy that we adhere to all the timelines here and that we can start our automation now soon.
So the application specialist team really helps the customer coming up to speed after installation, during implementation quickly. Having optimal protocols, optimal timings, optimal pipetting conditions, and in that way really helping them to automate their process in a way that the research results will be optimal for the customer. The type of ongoing support we're offering to the customer after implementation includes things such as training, ongoing trainings, as well as application support, as well as support with the hardware. My approach has always been, I've always worked to the aim that every customer should be a reference customer in the end.
The team approach that Beckman brings I like very much because this is a close interaction, it has a lot of communication, and this avoids problems on the way of implementing. And so we are also a very interdisciplinary team, you may see it in our lab. And so we have this culture of exchange, of working together on a project, and therefore I like it very much.